Yo, what's up you guys? We're back for another video again. And I honestly wasn't even planning to make this video. It was literally just like, I went to AutoZone to go drop off some oil, and then I was right next to the air filters, and then I decided to cave in because I was just like, I need a new air filter. I've been driving this car for about 30,000 miles, haven't changed either the air filter or the cabin filter yet. And I guess we're gonna go ahead and install that right now in the parking lot, because that's how easy it is to install. I will go ahead and say, this cabin filter is the most overlooked maintenance that pretty much anybody can do. Like, it's super easy. This thing costs like 15 bucks. It can even cost even less if you don't want to buy like a name brand one. You just buy one off Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how dirty mine is. It gets really dirty, and then it also in turn makes your air conditioning and your whole system like that. It makes it less efficient if it's just super clogged up. Hopefully you like this video because it's gonna be very informative, and it's honestly extremely short because it's a very easy job. And if you guys do like this video, hopefully you like, comment, please subscribe to the channel because I'm always doing a whole bunch of car things, whether it be like installs like this one's extremely simple, or just, you know, car news, or just car vlogs, anything cars. Let's go ahead and get into the install, you guys. It's super easy. This is where the cabin filter actually is. In most cars, it's usually in behind the glove box. FRS is definitely in here. It's honestly, it's child's play. It's almost just as easy as replacing your engine air filter. First off, open it up. This little thing right here, all you gotta do is literally just pop this thing out. It's not even hard whatsoever. You just pop it out, right? And then how to actually take it out from this position is you squeeze in right here, okay? And then on the other side too. Squeeze in, goes right out. That's my dash cam. You're never gonna have that wiring there unless you put it there. This is it right here. You straight up just take this out, and there is your cabin air filter. Just know, this was white at one point, completely white. So if you don't replace these, obviously your air conditioning system and, you know, your heat, everything where it all blows out, your circulation system will not work efficiently. And honestly, it's just a good idea to change these because this is the air you're supposed to be breathing in. You don't want to be breathing any of this in. This traps pollen, bugs, dirt. Basically, this just cleans up all your air system. So now you get to breathe in fresh air. Now that you got that one out, straight up all you're doing is putting it back in. You got this one. This is what it's supposed to look like. Pure white. Dirty, clean. Then you'll see the airflow, and you grab this. This literally just covers it. Go back. Make sure it's in the right spot. Now all you gotta do is put this thing right back up where it was. Literally, it just pops right back. It pops itself back in place, essentially. And then you reconnect this little area right here. That's kind of like the little dampener. You literally just push it in. That's all you gotta do. Bam, now it clips back into place. Boom. Easiest job ever. We're gonna go ahead and install the K&N filter. This is even easier. Straight up, the easiest thing in the world. Honestly, I don't even have to show you. All it is 2 clips. All right, you guys, just like that, the job is done. Straight up, that took me like 20 minutes for the whole entire process, and that was with making this whole video. All right, you guys, like I said earlier, if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave it with a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment on the video. Go ahead and subscribe. And also, thank you for 150 subscribers. I think I have 155 at this point. It's not a lot, but honestly, it's a lot more than if I never even tried whatsoever. I want to go ahead and get to 200, so go ahead and share this video. And once we get to 200, I'm going to go ahead and do like an Amazon gift card giveaway. So